The ZZR Out of Sight show car is one of the most outrageous and inventive custom vehicles ever built by George Barris and his Barris Kustoms team. Commissioned in the mid-1960s for the teen spy spoof film Out of Sight, produced by Dave Hammond for Universal Studios, the ZZR was designed as a high-performance, gadget-packed hot rod styled for a fictional teenage super spy. Built in under 3 weeks, it became a mobile spectacle of engineering and creativity. The ZZR's body was crafted from a modified fiberglass shell derived from a touring reproduction and Munster Koach components. The top was steel, styled with Model T-inspired lines, featuring dual porthole windows and finished in gold-knight with pom-poms. The vehicle was channeled and raked aggressively, mounted on a rectangular steel tubing frame for maximum weight distribution and balance. Power came from dual 1966 Buick 425 CID engines, bored out to 440 cubic inches, mounted in tandem and coupled through a custom clutch and 2-speed automatic transmission. Hillborn injectors, custom headers feeding into capsule-shaped mufflers, and twin radiators cooled by stainless aircraft tubing highlighted its performance. The ZZR featured radiator wheels, 9-inch front, 11-inch rear, and Mickey Thompson dirt track tires for extreme traction. Its spy-themed gadgetry was extreme: front-mounted bullet-firing fenders, rear flamethrowers, a parachute net to entangle chasing vehicles, tar and feather blowers, and an arsenal containing grenades, machine guns, silencers, and more. A flowerpot on the windshield emitted sleeping gas, and special locking seats and roof hatches aided spy-style escapes. A screen could extend to disguise the car as a highway sign. Interior innovations included gold bucket seats with snap-in armrests and custom gauges. The ZZR even featured a 5-note Italian air horn that played the Out of Sight theme. It was painted in 40 coats of golden fleece, star-flaked lacquer with ultraviolet toned fenders, a show car finish ahead of its time. Today, the ZZR is remembered as a wild blend of pop culture, satire, and custom car artistry. Though its current whereabouts are unknown, it remains a symbol of 1960s show car excess and Barris's unparalleled creativity.